How to not get copyrighted on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to not get copyrighted on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The reason why you get copyrighted on TikTok is when you use someone else's content. So if you want to not get copyrighted, what you'll need to do is you'll need to just tap on the upload button. So after you choose a video, let's suppose that this is a video that I used from someone else. So after you do that, what you'll need to do is you'll actually need to tap on this drop down button on the bottom right corner. Tap on it and there you'll find a volume button. Tap on volume and just reduce the volume to 0. After you do that, you can then tap on next, and now you can post this. If you do not have a volume, you can actually use the video, so TikTok will not not copyright you. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.